Hi, welcome back. Thanks for popping by. I've got a special little video to make today. This one's especially for Scarlett. Hey Scarlett! Now, Scarlett's my granddaughter and she likes to come by every now and again, and then she gets into the spa and she tries to turn herself into a prune for the next 5 or 6 hours. Now when she's in the spa she likes to have this going at all times. It's a double bubble blower. Now, the last time she came we popped this on, it wouldn't work. So obviously changed the batteries. So here's the new batteries. We'll do a quick DC test. And you can see 4.8 volts, 3 1.5 volt batteries is 4.5, so they're good. Right, so as far as I can see there are 5 screws to get this open. These are quite a long way down, which is where the iFixit kit falls because it can't reach. We'll have a quick look round. That wire's fine. That wire's fine. Goes to the motor. Goes to the switch. So I'll just test the switch. I'll go to continuity. I'll probe that side. Probe that side. That doesn't seem to be working. Do it the easy way. That's off, that's on. So now these two should make circuit, and they don't. So if I quickly put the batteries back in and then take a probe and just short those two out, that doesn't work. I thought that would have worked. That should complete the circuit. It suggests that one of these wires is broken. If I just go quickly to continuity mode, make sure the switch is on, which is down, so that's on. Means these two now should short, which they don't. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, I'm a little bit confused. Just try and go through what I've just done. I have got DC voltage here. I did have. Right, I just want to take this through step by step now. I have DC voltage here. It's bouncing around a bit. 3.3. With the switch on, that's getting up to there. So I'm getting power to the switch. Then into the motor. It's getting through to there. Okay, good. So we know the power's getting through. So if I switch that off, right, I think I'm going to have to go a little bit deeper. I'll take this piece off first. I don't think this will reveal anything. No, this is just channel for the air. Right, what I've done is prove to myself that I really need a bench power supply, but without one I've soldered one wire to the positive connection, one wire to the negative, so that should then give me my 4.5 volts here, which it doesn't. No, that should. It can't just be a dodgy connection, I'm sure. The batteries are 4.8. .8. The ground's come off of them, that's okay. I'll take these off, I'm going to clean them up. Let's see what's going on. So let's get rid of this for now. We'll concentrate on here. Oops, should take them out first really. So a quick glance at this does show that there is quite a lot of tarnish on this contact here. Although I don't see how it could be causing a problem because the voltage was getting through to the switch. But we'll clean it up. Yeah, well, it's not good. So I will clean it with some vinegar, just to try and neutralise any alkaline that may be in there. This isn't vinegar, it's just window cleaner with vinegar. Okay, that's a lot better. Let's pop that back in there. Let's pop it back in there the right way. And I think to solder this back up, I'll do the switch first. So it's not a majorly big soldering job, just had a tiny bit of flux. Add some fresh leaded solder. Lovely. Hopefully my big head didn't get in the way there, but probably it did. Okay. So nothing's really changed, but we'll put the batteries back in and see if that works. No. Okay. But everything's on good now. Quickly look, see what the voltage is now. DC. There we go. My mistake, they're the wrong way round. Okay, so we've now got the correct voltages running through here, 4.8. Good. To the switch. Switch is off. 4.8. Switch is on. We have 4.8. Short the switch. But just before I solder this on, it does seem like an opportune moment to remind you not to copy what I do. I'm not trained in repair, so I don't know if this is the right way of doing things or not. I probably should take the batteries out every time I solder a joint, but I don't. I feel safe at 5 volts. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't if you want to copy me. So after saying that, let's solder this back on. Ooh, I've got some life, so it must have been a dodgy connection there. And now I've got no life. But that came alive for a second. Does that mean now if I bridge? Okay, so it's definitely a dodgy switch. If I bridge that, that works. Okay, so my initial thought turned out to be correct. It is a dodgy switch. Now I've got to try and repair it. Let's make some room. Yeah, that's where you should disconnect the batteries. So it almost worked for a second when I pressed it down hard. So I'm just going to test continuity again, and this time press down a bit harder on it. Strange. It's showing continuity when it's up, like that. So up is usually off, but that is now showing continuity. And if I switch it down, it should be on. Now I'm getting nothing there. Just try crossing the wires. That works. That works, but this isn't. This is supposed to spin as well. Well, this simple fix is turning out to be a little bit harder than I first thought. And when I first moved that, I did feel like there was a bit of resistance. So I think once again, battery's back in, and I'm going to run that motor. I'll run this motor just by touching the wires together. Okay, the fan won't run now because the wires just come off. But we're just concentrating on this at the moment anyway. So, no, that motor's not doing anything. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so that motor works. Okay, so it may have just become a little bit jammed. So now I've just got to solder this one back onto here. And just to test this now, I'll pop the windmill on and cross the wires. There we go. Okay. The last thing I want to do then is just check the solder on these. I think at the moment they look okay, but I'm just going to add fresh leaded solder and make sure that it's a good job on there, rather than, you know, where they've made it at the factory. Obviously they've got to make as many as they can, as quickly as they can. So we'll just add a bit of attention here. Lovely. And same again here. That feels weak already, I think. I'm going to replace this white one with a longer grey one. This is the one that goes to the switch. Okay, they're great. Yeah, I was balanced on my elbow then, so it was a bit shaky, but we're in. Okay. And I think that's in the on position, so that's off. Pop the battery back, then hopefully it becomes a noisemaker again. So how does it go back together again? There we go. Alright, pop this back over the way it should be, about there, switch goes there, and then it's just a case of making sure none of the wires get trapped. like that one has. So all that leaves me now is to get some bubble solution. Pop it in here. Really not the easiest thing to fill up. And now, the moment of truth. Brilliant. So there we go. One bubble maker. Ready to blow bubbles for hours and hours for little Scarlett in the spa. So I'll go and fill the spa up, get it heated for her, and I'll see you next time I've got something to fix when I'm in my shed. Well, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.